So, you come home one day, use the toilet, flush it, hopefully, and suddenly you hear a strange sound you've never heard before. Cue sound effect. You think, that's odd. What on earth is that noise? Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that sound means, how to fix it, and how to prevent it from happening again. What's going on? First things first, let's turn off the water supply. What's actually happened here is the seal inside the refill valve has failed. I didn't realize it at first, but this is a very common problem, especially if your toilet's water pressure is too high. In my case, that high pressure slowly destroyed the rubber seal. I did some research, figured out the issue, picked up the replacement part, and today we're going to fix it together. Before we start, let's listen to that sound one more time. Turn water on. Cue sound. That loud, uneven noise is the water pressure forcing its way through a damaged seal. And that pressure is what caused the problem in the first place. Let's fix it. Step 1. Turn off the water. Turn the water supply off again. If your toilet looks like this inside, great. If it doesn't, don't worry, the process will be similar. Step 2. Remove the flush mechanism. Start by unscrewing the flush mechanism. Once it's loose, lift it straight out and place it safely on the floor. This keeps it out of the way and prevents accidental damage while you're working. Now you're getting your first look inside the toilet tank. Quick note, the water in here is completely clean. It's fresh mains water, nothing to do with waste. You could drink it if you were brave enough. I'm not, but you could. Step 3. Identify the problem. Let's briefly turn the water back on so you can see what's happening. This is where the water enters the tank. Turn water on. As you can see, the refill is painfully slow and noisy. This is definitely not how it was designed to work. Turn the water back off. Step 4. Disassemble the refill valve. This mechanism here controls the water level. As the tank fills, the float rises, lifting a plunger that eventually shuts the water off at the correct height. This part is clipped in place. With a little pressure and some careful hand positioning, push up here and unclip it. Once it's free, lift it out and set it aside. Next, unscrew this section. It might be tight, so don't be afraid to apply some force. Remove it carefully and place it to the side. Step 5. Find the culprit. Inside here is the seal that's causing all the trouble. Gently pry it out, careful not to drop it into the tank. And there it is. As you can see, the seal has completely ripped. That tear is exactly why we were hearing that awful noise and getting such poor refill performance. Step 6. Install the new seal. Here's the broken seal. Total failure. I picked up a pack of 3 replacement seals for about £5 online. Cheap, simple, and effective. To install the new one, line up this notch with the matching notch on the valve and gently press them together. Back at the toilet, align the top notch here with the notch in the valve housing and seat it into place. Let it rest properly, then reinstall the screw. Make sure the seal stays aligned as you tighten it down. Step 7. Reassemble everything. Reattach the refill mechanism by lining it up and pressing it back into place until it clicks. You don't need excessive force, just enough to secure it. Now for the moment of truth. Turn the water back on. And just like that, the problem is solved. The tank fills quickly, smoothly, and quietly. You can clearly hear the difference. How to prevent this in the future? So why did this happen in the first place? The main cause is excessive water pressure entering the toilet. Over time, that pressure destroys the rubber seal. To prevent this, slightly close the shutoff valve so the toilet fills a bit more slowly. It won't affect performance, but it will dramatically extend the life of the seal. Let's flush once more. Normal sounds, normal fill speed. I'm happy. The toilet's happy. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.